Hello and welcome to this new tutorial video for the Triggerly app. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how you can use a QR code scanner connected to your Windows device to scan QR codes generated with Triggerly and use it to update the values of items on your board. In this example, the automation I'm running is, when a QR code is triggered, it decreases the value of stock by 5. For this to work, you'll need to install one additional script we've created for Windows devices. The download link will be provided in the video description. Once you download the script, right-click and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted, and if you see any warnings from Windows, you can safely ignore them. This script is completely safe to use. Now that everything is set up, whenever you scan a QR code you've printed and placed on a product, it will automatically open a link on your Windows device and reduce the stock value accordingly. I scanned the QR code for a wireless mouse, and the stock value decreased from 35 to 30. Feel free to explore and apply it to your workflows.